Hi, it's Chris from Leicester Drones. Just want to do a video now to show you how to replace the filters on your drone. This is a Mavic 2 Pro, and a lot of people say to me that they have a lot of trouble changing the filters. Okay, the summer's nearly here, so you might think about getting some ND filters like that. Very basically, an ND filter will allow the colour through onto the camera, but stop some of the light, stop some of the brightness, so you don't get that washed out look on your images and on your videos. So the filter set, the DJI filter set here, it's a set of 4, and it comes with an ND 4, 8, 16 and 32. So what we're going to do now is replace the normal filter that comes on the Mavic 2 Pro. So I'll just bring the drone a bit closer to the camera, and I'll try and do it so you can see it. So to remove the filter, to start with, you've got to hold the camera firmly between your thumb and forefinger. Okay, the drone needs to be turned off. You don't want to be straining the gimbal. So hold it. It's a square camera, so it's fairly easy to do. There's a bit of play to let you get in there, and then hopefully you can see. You need to push against the filter and rotate it very slightly to the left. Okay, so push and turn. Okay, it moves a tiny bit, just very slightly to the left, and then off it pops. Playing up. There you go, that top one just got stuck. So if you look at the back of the filter I've just taken off, there's a few things to note. First of all, try not to touch the actual inner part of the filter. Try not to get your fingerprints on. You can wipe it off if you do. And on the back you can see there's 4 bits that stick out. 3 of them are round, more or less round, and the 4th one is more of an oblong, let's get that in the light so you can see, an oblong shape. So that means the filters will only go on one way. Okay, you can see that recess there is slightly bigger than the other 3. So you shouldn't be able to put these on upside down. So if you're struggling, check that you're not trying to put them on the wrong way round. The other thing to note is there's 2 metal bits, and those metal bits are at the top left and the bottom right as you look at the filter from the front and at the drone from the front. And those metal bits line up with 2 metal bits on the actual camera, and that's what helps to lock the filter into place. Okay, so we're going to put that one down, and we are going to put on an ND4. Okay, so the back of the filter is exactly the same as the one we've just taken off. Okay, so holding it, it's designed so you should be pushing top left and bottom right, but as long as you push enough force it will go on. You don't have to hold it in that exact position. So again, hold the camera nice and tight, check your filters the right way round. In this case you can see ND4 is at the top, and then I'm just going to line it up. It drops in really easy. Make sure all 4 points are in and lined up, and then the trick is to push. You've got to push, and then it will just rotate into place. Okay, and there you go. Filters on nicely. The one you've taken off let's move the drone back, will slot back into the place where you took the ND4 filter, whatever filter you've used. Okay, there you go away. They come in a nice little box. Okay, put that in your drone case, wherever, and you're good to go. Happy flying, everybody. Thanks for watching.